How to stop thread notifications on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. When you come across a Threads post in your feed, tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the post. From the menu that appears, select Hide. This will remove the post from your feed and help Instagram understand that you are not interested in seeing Threads content. If you also want to stop receiving notifications related to Threads, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Next, tap on Notifications. Look for the product announcements and feedback section and choose Off. This will prevent Instagram from sending you notifications about new features, including Threads. By following these steps, you can reduce the visibility of Threads posts and notifications inside Instagram. However, keep in mind that Instagram may continue to promote Threads through different features over time. That's how to stop thread notifications on Instagram.